Hi friends, welcome back once again to my kitchen. Today I'm sharing a simple, colorful and comforting combo, beetroot curry with soft puffed pooris. Let's get started. First, the beets. I've taken two medium-sized beetroots, peeled them and look at that gorgeous color. I chop the beets into small cubes. I like keeping them small so they cook faster and soak up all the flavors. Then I sliced one onion, chopped a bit of fresh ginger and one green chili, just enough to give the curry a kick without overpowering the beets' natural sweetness. Now to the stove. I heated some oil in a pan, added mustard seeds and jeera and let them crackle and pop, the perfect Indian kitchen music. Then went in the onions, green chili and a few curry leaves. Once the raw smell disappeared, I added a pinch of turmeric, coriander powder and chili powder. Give it all a good stir and enjoy that lovely aroma filling the air. In go the beets. Stir it all together, add salt to taste and cover the pan. Let it cook slowly on a low flame. Patience makes the curry perfect. Stir in between so everything cooks evenly. While it's cooking, I chopped up a juicy tomato and kept it ready. After a while, I added the tomato to the pan. Stir it in and let it get mushy. This adds a slight tang to balance the sweet beet flavor. Then comes my favorite part. I poured in about half a cup of coconut milk. This adds creaminess and a mellow richness. Give it a gentle stir, let it simmer for just 30 seconds and then switch off the stove. Our beetroot curry is ready. Sweet, spicy, a little creamy, just yummy. Friends, I truly hope you try this at home. It's simple, nutritious and full of color and flavor. Leave a comment and tell me how yours turned out.
And if you enjoyed watching, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more easy and tasty recipes.
Now let's make some pooris to go. I love using my poori press. It's so easy, so effortless. One by one, I drop them into hot oil and watch them puff up beautifully. Each one rising like a balloon make me grin. It's always magical. And now here I am with my plate and pooris and beet curry. I couldn't wait to dip that soft pooris into the curry. The combo is heavenly. That slight sweetness from the beet, a little heat from the spices and richness of coconut milk, all hugged by the fluffiness of poori. I absolutely relished it. See you in the next one. Until then, happy cooking and happy eating. Take care.